In today's video, you will see 5 ways of getting rid of intestinal worms naturally. In a recent video, we talked about the 10 signs that someone needs a deworming. Did you watch it? Click on the suggested video to learn more. Did you know that nature has many ways of eliminating intestinal worms? Many herbs and whole foods have natural compounds that help our bodies eliminate these parasites. Here are some healthy and tasty ideas. Probiotic foods. We talked about them in a past video. Fermented foods are under the spotlight recently, and for good reasons. Some of our favorites are yogurt, pickled vegetables, kefir, and sauerkraut, all filled with flavor and anti-worm power. They fight off the microscopic invaders while encouraging good intestinal health. Apple cider vinegar. This ingredient has beneficial probiotics, helps restore the healthy balance of pH, and stimulates the digestive system. Drinking apple cider vinegar can help eliminate the worms in your body. Vegetables. Onion, garlic, cabbage, cauliflower, and broccoli efficiently eliminate parasites from your body. Herbs. Peppermint, ginger, or fresh oregano, or even their essential oil versions, can be used as natural dewormers. Pineapple and papaya. Both are sweet and have enzymes and other natural compounds that help your body get naturally rid of worms. These compounds also act as mild anti-inflammatories for a hurt intestine. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Besides adding these foods to your diet to eliminate parasites, it is also important to avoid these 5 foods. Processed foods. Excessively processed foods are filled with empty calories, sugar, fats, and sodium. But they also overload the digestive system, so it is better to limit their consumption. Sugar. It is not surprising that most parasites like sweets. A diet high in sugar is heaven for worms. Cut as much sugar as possible from your diet to naturally eliminate parasites. Pork. Swine are usually fed with some very unpleasant foods, and pork meat is known for being at risk of parasites. During your cleansing, reduce and avoid pork products. If possible, cut out all red meat until your system is free from worms. Alcohol. If your digestive system is already compromised by intestinal worms, you don't need any extra inflammation. Did you know that drinking alcohol increases the inflammatory process of your body? Try cutting alcohol for a while. The same goes for gluten. You don't need to be sensitive to it to avoid it during deworming. The gluten, found naturally in wheat and other grains, quickly dissolves the sugar in the digestive tract, which causes inflammation. You need to reduce as much inflammation in your intestines as possible to get better results in the cleansing. Avoiding these foods for a while will improve the results of your deworming. Now tell us, have you tried any of these natural treatments? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.